See this tonight. I said, then give me words to generate the sketch images that I will be using. I don't know, maybe you understand. I will be using images in my video. So, and there are some prompts I need to. It's because I'm asking ChatGPT because it's the one that started it and it's the one that know the perfect sketch image I need. I will be needing in the video. So that is why I go ahead and ask the ChatGPT to generate for me the words, the prompts for me to be generating my image. So let's go down now. You will see what I'm saying now. So this is it. Prompt. Can you see here? Just take a look here. Prompt. This is the first image I'll be using. And draw whiteboard sketch of a frustrated small business owner sitting at the desk, looking worried at his laptop screen, showing low views and zero engagement icon, simple black and white line arts, minimum blah 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 like that. So this is what it told me. So I will just copy. I don't have to stress myself. I will just copy. Come here. Just come here. Copy the prompt. Copy the prompt like this. Copy. Once you copy it, probably you have another AI tools that you can generate image, or if you don't have, just copy this thing now and go ahead to your Google Chrome. Once you reach your Google Chrome, place on your Google Chrome and it will bring out something for you. Let's try it. But for me, for the one I use, I have a subscriber this thing Gemini, where I used to generate my images. So that is what I use for this video. But let's go ahead and use the Google. So I've copied it. It's my Google Chrome. So just pay attention to the video and you're good to go. So when you go to your Google Chrome like this, on this, just place it on this icon, place it here, paste, then click on this like this. Can you see now? Can you see? So this is it. You see, it's all. Just click on images. Then you will look for the one that is best okay for your work. Just click on it and look for the one that is okay for what you are doing. I don't know, maybe you are here. So this is it. And make sure you avoid the one that have watermark. Pay close attention to it. You see something like this now, you cannot use this one now. You cannot use this one because of that watermark. Don't use it. So let's go. I'm thinking, okay, let's use this one. You see this one, just click on it, hold on it. When you click on it, press long on, hold on it, it will pop up this thing. Like, just hold on this picture, that picture you've seen that you wanted to, just hold on it, click on it, hold on it, it pop up something like, just click on download image. I've clicked on it. You see now, my picture, my image have already been downloaded. Image, I don't have to open it. Let's open it. If you want to open it, just come here, check it if the thing is okay. You see now, this is the image just downloaded now. So that's the one we are going to be using for that first prompt. So you see, come back here, come back again. Where is prompt 2? So whiteboard, this is prompt 2. You still copy it, then go ahead back to your Chrome, paste it there, then still will generate for you another image. This is it. What is it now? So click on images so that you have it in full. So can you see it? Just look for the one that is best okay for your work. And now I can always say avoid the watermark. Avoid anyone that have watermark. Pay close attention, like this one safe, there's watermark there. But if you don't pay attention, you will not see there's watermark here. If you check it very well, there's watermark here. See, you cannot use that one because of the watermark. So we should use this one. Yes, let's use this one. So press on it, hold on it, then click on download as we download the other time. So that is it. Yes, download. You download that one as well. So let's go back to our another prompt. Where is another prompt? So the third one said, and draw whiteboard. You just copy it again. Copy it. Go ahead. So this is how we generate our image. It's a sketch image. We call it sketch image. You can generate any image you want through that. Once you have your prompt ready and you know how to describe the image you want, it will give you a good result of what you are looking for. This is the 9+ white, and what is this one? I think we should use this one as well. No, there is watermark. You cannot use it. There's watermark there. Let's look for the one that is just okay. For that one that we see there's watermark, can't we just adjust the watermark? Is it? You see this one there, though there's watermark at the, but I think we should use it. This is where the watermark is. See this thing? But we can download it and hide that watermark. Just press on this. Let's download it. We'll be using it that one. So after we download our video, the next one is what? Prompt 4. So don't let me waste your time. This is how we generate all the images that we want to use on our video. So let me pause this video and generate all the images that we want, then I will be back.